The system issues a warning in critical situations when changing lanes, thereby actively increasing safety when driving on motorways, for example. When changing lanes, it is particularly important to check the areas next to and behind the vehicle. Depending on the situation, however, it may not be possible to obtain a clear view of certain areas next to and behind the vehicle. For this reason, when the system is activated, sensors in the rear bumper monitor the area behind and next to the vehicle. Beginning at a certain speed, a display on the exterior mirror indicates whether vehicles are approaching or passing from behind. When you set the turn indicator in this situation, thus indicating to the system that you wish to change lanes, a warning is issued. The warning symbol on the outside mirror begins to flash, and the steering wheel vibrates. Depending on the equipment, active steering intervention helps keep the vehicle in its lane. You are intuitively supported in aborting the planned lane change and avoiding a possible collision. The warnings are discontinued when the turn indicator is deactivated, or when the vehicles are no longer located in the critical area. In this way, the lane change warning helps you detect and avoid dangerous situations early on when changing lanes.